Today we take another example related to coordinate geometry. So find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of the division. So find out the ratio. So let p x comma 0 be the required ratio which divide the join in ratio m1 ratio m2. We take the point here A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 and B is x comma 0 and m1 ratio m2 plus m2 by 1 over m1 plus m2. We get 0 is equal to, so why is 0 here? 0 is equal to m1 multiply y2. y2 is 5 plus m2 multiply y1. y1 is minus 5 over m1 plus m2. Or it is equal to 0 is equal to 5 m1 minus 5 m2. That is equal to 5 m2 is equal to 5 m1. 5 we cancel. We get m1 over m2 is equal to 1 over 1. That is m1 ratio m2 is equal to 1 ratio 1. So we get ratio, the required ratio is 1 ratio 1. Now we have to find the coordinate of the point of the division also. Coordinate of the point of the division also. So here we find x. Now coordinate of the point. Find the coordinate of the point of division. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2. So x is equal to m1. m1 is 1 multiply x2. x2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 1 multiply x1. x1 is 1 over m1 plus m2. So we get here x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 over 2. So x is equal to minus 3 over 2. Therefore, the required point P is minus 3 over 2 comma 0 answer. So एक बार इन्हें फिर देखिए अपन कि इस बात से फाइंड द रेशियो इन विच द लाइन सेगमेंट A and B is divided by x axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. पहले तो ਆਪਾਂ ਦੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਸੀ, ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਕੱਢਣੀ ਸੀ, ਇੱਕ ਕੱਢਣਾ ਸੀ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਆਫ ਡਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਆਪਾਂ, ਮੰਨ ਲਿਆ ਵੀ let px0 be the required point which divide the joining in the ratio m1 ratio m2. So by section formula we take y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. Put the value of y, that is 0. m1 at the place of m1 we don't know, that is m1. We take it m1 multiply y2. We don't know the value of m1, so we take m1 as it. So m1 multiply 5 is y2, this y2 plus m2 y1 minus 5. So after simplify we get m1 ratio m2 is 1 ratio 1. This is the required ratio. Now we have to find the coordinate of the point of division. For that we find the value of x. We have taken here px. So x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2. That is also by section formula. So now put the value of m1 and x2 and m2 x1, we get this. After simplification we get x is equal to minus 3 over 2. Therefore the required point of division is minus 3 over 2 comma 0 answer. Now we take the next problem. In what ratio is the line segment joining the point A minus 2 minus 3 and B 3 comma 7 divided by the y-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. So पहले सम से अपने को x एक्सिस ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਮ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ y एक्सिस ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ। ਜਦੋਂ ਸਮ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ y एक्सिस ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਆ ਕਿ p एक्सिस ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਲੈਣੀ ਆਪਾਂ 0। ਸੋ ਲੈਟ p 0, y is the required point which divide the join a minus 2 minus 10 and b 3 7 in ratio m1 ratio m2. So therefore by section formula x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m. We get 0 is equal to m1 multiply x2. x2 is 3 plus m2 multiply x1 is minus 2 over m1 plus m2. By cross multiplication we get here 0 multiply m1 plus m2 is equal to 3 m1 minus 2 m2 or 0 is equal to 3 m1 minus 2 m2 or 2 m2 is equal to 3 m1. That is m1 over m2 is equal to 2 over 3. So m1 ratio m2 is equal to 2 ratio 3. So this is the required ratio. Now we have to find the coordinate of the point of division. Now coordinate of the point, that is y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. So here we get y is equal to m1 is 2 multiply y2 is 7 plus m2 is 3 multiply y1 is here minus 3 over m1 plus m2 2 plus 3. So we get 14 minus 9 over 5. So y is equal to 5 over 5. After simplify we get y is equal to 1. Therefore the coordinates of the point P is 0, 1 answer. So first of all we draw a figure. Here point A is minus 2 3 and B is 3, 7 and we take point P here, that is 0, y, and in ratio m1 ratio m2. So first of all we will draw the figure, and now we start the sum. Let the point from here. So now we take another example. Find the ratio in which the point -6a divide the join A and B. Also find the value of A. So we have to find the value of A here. So for that, first of all we have to find the m1 and m2 ratio. Then only we can find the value of A. So let us start it. Solve. Let P -6a is the point divides the join A -3 -1 and B -8 9 in ratio say m1 m2. So first of all, by section formula, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2. So first of all we draw the figure, then it is easy to do the sum. So first of all take a point A here, -3 -1, and B here -8 and 9. Take a point P here whose coordinates are given -6 and A, and ratio m1 ratio m2. First of all draw a figure like this. Whatever is given in the statement right here, then solve the sum. So by section formula, x is equal to this. Put the values of given m1 we don't know, x that is -6, m1 we don't know, x2 is -8 plus m2 x1 is -3 over m1 plus m2. So by cross multiplication we get -6 m1 -6 m2 is equal to -8 m1 -3 m2, or -6 m1 plus 8 m1 is equal to -3 m2 plus 6 m2, or we get 2 m1 is equal to 3 m2, or m1 over m2 we get 3 over 2. So therefore ratio is m1 ratio m2 is equal to 3 ratio 2 is the required ratio. Now we have to find the value of A. So now value of A, that is in the coordinate of x and y. The value of A is coming in the at the place of y. So we have to find here y by the section formula. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. So we get here y, that is A. A is equal to m1 is 3. See here, m1 is 3. So y2 is 9 plus m2 is 2, and y1 is -1 over m1 plus m2. So next A is equal to 27 minus 2 over 5. So therefore A is equal to 25 over 5. After simplification we get A is equal to 5. Therefore the required point P is -6 comma 5 answer.